Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Today I will analyze Nasdaq US30, US oil, which is oil, and gold for you guys for this coming week. Yes sir, I know I've been away for a long time. It's because I've been busy with my programs. I've been busy accumulating in my funds, as you can see, and as you all know, I'm upcoming trader. I just found my breakthrough, so yeah, so I'm going to share what I have on my mind. So this is NAS100, which is Nasdaq and index. As you can see, Nasdaq is bearish. It's been bearish, but now it is interesting how it closed this past week, right? See how it closed, the big rejection, and the market closed above. It didn't close below my weekly zone. Why I'm saying this is because this zone that I have here, this line, horizontal line I have here, it was acting as what, as a demand, supply, demand. So it can act as a demand if the market hold here above this line, but if it breaks and retest, we're going to look for sales. But let's go to the time frame and see what we have. Daily is still the same, but you can see that the market shifted from bullish to bearish. Why I'm saying this is that the market was creating higher highs and higher lows, guys. As you can see, it was creating higher highs and higher lows. The market gave us a double top formation, then it broke this previous low, making a lower low. Then it came and rejected here and making what do you call this? It made what lower high, lower high, which confirms the third leg extension. So there's a possibility of the market going to the downside. And another thing, the daily here, it closed as what, as a bearish engulfing. And again, we can add a confluence of what, and we can say that the market gave us something like a head and shoulder, so we can sell, guys. However, I'm still on bias, but I'll show you why. And I'm still holding this bias, guys. I'm still holding my buys. This is why I hold my buys. For H, you'll see that the market, I'm a day trader, by the way. The market was creating higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, the market was very bearish, but the market impulsed here, broke this previous lower high, make a new higher high. So I can see this as a retest, as what, a higher low before we can push again. Another confluence I added here is my what, is my Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, you can notice that the market rejected what, the 61, and we closed very bullish, guys. So now I see the possibility of the market continue with buys, guys. Hence I'm still holding. Okay, I was holding this buys. I entered the buys here, I think somewhere here, then I closed here because the market was at what, as at our supply zone. Then it rejected, guys. But when I saw this, I realized that you know what, the market broke this high, this high. So which means there's a possibility of the market retesting here and continue. Why? Because we are above this weekly. As you can see now, this structure is acting as what, as our demand zone, guys. As you can see, and you can see the market is creating a double bottom. This is how the market likes to move, especially last day, guys. So I can see the possibility of double bottom, and continue with what, with our buys. But things changes when we go to US30. People used to say US30 and Nasdaq, they follow same direction. Guys, I'm telling you, stop that thing. Follow market structure of each index and follow what it does. Don't analyze Nasdaq and anticipate that US30 will do the same thing, because for the like this new the market is like, market makers, they know that people have that mentality that when one index is buying, the other will do the same thing. So they know how they catch people. As you can see, US30, it closed very bearish, guys, very bearish, and we are below this zone. which was acting as a supply. So now we close below, but this rejection can tell us something. But let's see. Let's go to daily chart and see what's happening. So what is happening now, guys, is that we close to the bearish engulfing, and remember, Nasdaq we closed above the zone, but US30 we closed below. As I'm saying, I will only look for buying opportunities if we will break above, retest, and I will continue. But as it stands, we are looking for selling opportunities, guys. I'm telling you, we are looking for selling opportunities because we are below that line. And however, I don't use trend line a lot, but you can use them if you want. This is how I trade, guys. As you can see, the market is impulsing, correction impulsing. So there's a possibility of the market coming here first before going up. Why? We know the market can never reverse unless it gives us something like a double bottom, head and shoulder. You know them, you know those patterns, right? So either way, you can wait for this to be safe. We can take this, we can wait for this, something like a head and shoulder as a reversal pattern, or wait for the market to come, respect this zone again and break above. You can take your trade somewhere here, close, take profit 1 here, take profit 2, you wait for a break, retest, and continue. But if we reject again here, you're going to sell, guys. But as it stands right now, we are looking for some opportunities. We are trading probabilities, guys. We are trading probabilities. We are not trading what we think, guys. I know someone will say, but side, why don't you take these sellers and take buys? You can do that, guys. You can do that, but guys, listen to this. This thing is a mother true. You understand? We want to trade the high probability trades rather than medium probability trades, because we have to wait and trade what makes sense to us. We are still bullish, even though we are still below, but we are still bullish. Anything can happen here. You understand? So let's go to oil, guys. Let's go to oil. I don't want to make this video long, so hence I made my analysis. As you can see, we failed to break this lower high. The market rejected. So this tells us that we are looking for selling opportunities, right? We are looking for selling opportunities on USOIL. You are looking for selling opportunities because it rejected and the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. But now, where are you going to sell now? Where are you going to sell? This is the double top formation, right? So you are only going to sell when we break this lower low, right? Or if the market comes and reject here our previous lower high, then this is where you are going to enter your trade. This is where you are going to enter. If it rejects, guys, and you should add your confluences, right? You should add your confluences, plan your trade and trade your plan. And if it breaks here, this is where you're gonna enter. This is where you're gonna enter again. You are going to, guys, remember, do not aim for high. This is long term. When you enter trade, you want to target the next zone. You understand? I trade zone to zone. We still have a good risk to reward. As you can see, it's 1:3, and here is 1:7. For every $100, if you risk $100, you'll make $700. And here, if you risk $1, you'll gain $300, which is a nice risk to reward. So guys, plan your trade and trade your plan. This is it. We go to lowest time frame for each, and let's see. This is interesting. Let's see. As you can see, guys, you can add confluences, guys. Even if you don't wait for the market to come here, because the market decide after all. But see this rejection. We are very bullish. The buyers are rejected. Bear in mind, we are low. We are in the bearish trend. Overall, and even on daily and for each, overall we are selling. Let me show you a trick that I use, and Yeah, it's part of my course, obviously, but I don't teach currently. I'm busy with my course. So this is a fifth entry that I use. There is an imbalance here. Imbalance. So you can wait for the market to come and reject the 61. Why 61? 61 is the very strong one according to the strategy that I'm using. You can get your entries at 61. Why? Because again we have an order block here. Guys, I'm not SMC trader, but I add confluences to my trade. But we have something like an order block. If you want to be safe, you can put the stop loss here, above this zone, because the market can decide to cap and grab this order block and push to the downside, right? Yeah. So let's go to gold, guys. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Let's see. Higher time frame. Always you want to see the bigger picture, all right? You want to see the bigger picture. As you can see, gold, we are looking for sales, guys, and we are below this zone. And this zone is very, 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 very strong, guys. It was acting as a supply, demand, supply, demand. Now we broke and we are acting as a demand. If the market rejects here, you are going to look for what? Guys, you are going to look for your candlestick confirmations, before you can enter. As you can see now, very weak. The market on the daily gave us a doji. Doji means reversals, guys. As you can see, that's why the market went down and rejected. So we want to see. You don't want to jump into trades. If you see something, if you know something, relax, because you are not the only one seeing that day. Relax. Just relax. Analyze the manipulation first. Why I'm saying this is because the market can decide to take people out first before dropping. So be wise, guys. Be wise. Do not jump into trades. You understand? Do not jump into trades. Analyze manipulation first. Because look at this zone, guys. Look at this. The market can decide to do this. People entered sales because of this bearish engulfing. The market can come here. There's a liquidity pool here. What do you mean by liquidity pool? There's a stop loss resting here, orders and everything. The market makers can come here to this critical level, which is 1930 price. That's where there is accumulation of big banks. The market can come here, grab the liquidity and shoot to the downside. So be wise, guys. If you use trend lines, you can see that this is a bullish flag. So be wise. Analyze the manipulation first. So people will enter early and they'll be like, stop loss hands, what? That's just the market doing its thing. Analyze the manipulation. Do not rush your trades. This is a trader, your mentor, guys. Thank you.